Today we will be showing you some maintenance and installation tips for your variable area flow meter. We will start with the removal and replacement of the flow tube. We will then show how to clean the float, and finally how to mount the flow meter to the stand and level it for accurate use. You will need the following tools: needle nose pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, an Allen wrench, a beaker of soapy water or preferred solvent, and paper towels. Begin by removing the flow meter from the panel or stand if it is mounted to one. This can be done by removing the mounting nuts from the meter. Remove the front panel by using your Phillips screwdriver. Then remove the back panel by unscrewing the final mount nut. This will make controlling the tube easier. Next, loosen the hex nut at the top counterclockwise by using your Allen wrench, which will loosen the tube. You can then remove the tube from the frame. At this point, you can replace or reinstall your tube. Make sure your tube is centered in the mounts. Hold it in place while tightening the tension nut with your Allen wrench. Then replace the front and back panels. If your float is stuck in the tube, one or both parts may require cleaning. Remove the tube using the procedure discussed earlier. Use your needle nose pliers to remove the float stop. If necessary, you may need to push the float from the tube using your Allen wrench or other small probe. Once the float is removed, you can then clean it with the soap and water or whichever solvent is appropriate for removing your contaminant. While you have it apart, you can clean the tube using a pipe cleaner moistened with your same cleaning solution. To reassemble it, replace the float in the tube and reinstall the float stop. You can then install the tube using the process described earlier. If you have purchased a stand for your flow meter separately, you can mount it by removing the hex nut on the bottom of the flow meter. To make sure that the stand is level, you will want to adjust the 3 feet on the stand by ensuring the bubble on the sight is within the designated circle outlined in black. By turning the feet clockwise and counterclockwise, it will allow you to level the stand to ensure accurate measurement. The tubes that have been shown in this video are correlated flow tubes with a standard scale. This gives you the ability to measure flow rates of multiple gases with just one flow tube. You can get different correlation charts by going to www.coleparmer.com and typing in the catalog number of the meter that you have. At the bottom of the page will be a list of gases that we have correlation charts available for. All the charts available for that specific flow tube may not appear on our website. If that is the case, then please feel free to call us and we can assist you with getting the appropriate correlation chart. Sometimes you may not know the part number of your flow meter, but require a different correlation chart for a gas that you would like to measure. In the event that this happens, the tube can be identified by the tube number located at the top of the tube next to the scale. Please also be prepared to identify the type of float that you have. The different floats available are glass, which is black, sapphire, which is red, and stainless steel. We hope that you have learned a lot and found this information useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.